I'm going to go over this handheld infrared thermal imaging camera from the company FOXWELL. Now, I've had other products from this FOXWELL company, and I've been very impressed with their product lineup and the quality of their products. This is a thermometer mode. It's IP54 protection rating, so it's basically kind of splash proof. It's not waterproof. It has up to 9 different types of colors on it. It supports video and pictures, so you can take pictures or record. It's got a 32 gig of internal memory on this. So let me just show you everything you get. So it came in that box right there. I did a little quick unboxing on it. You get a USB-C cable for charging, and it's a braided cable, very nice cable. Has a 1/4-20 mount right here where you can mount it down. The trigger button is right here. So the trigger button starts the recording or takes a picture. You get a little microfiber cloth for cleaning it and cleaning your lens right there. To turn this thing on, you're just going to hit the power button right there. Comes up FOXWELL. I did fully charge it. It doesn't take long to charge up. Now, when you take the way you're going to get the pictures or video is to come from here. Use the USB-C cable, go into your computer, and that way you can upload any videos or pictures you need out of that. It is not touchscreen. You're going to use these arrows right here. You can hit OK or go back. You can see some of my files. So right there's a file that I had where I did some video and earlier. I don't know how well you can see it right there, but let me just show you how this thing works. So this should be great for anyone that's doing like electrical work, where you could check the temperature of your wires and see if you've got blown capacitors or something like that. Hit the OK button there. It brings up this menu. You can scroll through different types, the saturation. If you want to do a laser, I don't know how well you can see that. Let's hit OK on that. You guys see where the laser light is? That shows you exactly where everything is. You can see my hand right there is setting. There's the laser. You guys see how the laser works? That just helps with pointing it. So it's basically a laser thermometer too. So it'll show you like this corner is 46 degrees. That's the coldest spot. And then down here is the hot spot. So 78 degrees right there. You guys see that? Just that pinky 78 degrees. And then there's a cold spot right there. Let me take it out here. Let me show you some things outside. I tested out a water bucket where I heated up some water, and I'll show you like how I seen how hot the water was getting inside the bucket. It gave me a good idea on whether the bucket was getting too hot because it's a portable water heater, and it's worked perfect for that. I think this is a great option for anyone that just needs to have a good thermal imaging camera that can pretty much scan and do about everything you need. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the FOXWELL, thermal imaging camera. See you on the next video.